With 2Checkout.com, the process for getting your link is very simple. What you're going to do is go right on up here to where it says products, and you just want to select that option. And while that loads, what you want to do is go over here under products and click on create. So choose products and then click on create. The next thing you want to do is come on in here and put in your name of your product. So we're just going to call this the name of the product we've been using as an example here. You want to put in your product ID. Usually just the initials of your program will be fine, and then a short description. Okay, and then for the long description you could actually just copy the same thing or put in more details if you wanted to. The price is very self-explanatory. You're just going to put in whatever price it is that you've set for this. As far as tangible goes, you want to just select no. Tangible would be like a physical item. So if it's a digital item like an ebook, which in most cases that's what this will be, you're going to select no. Now if this was a recurring payment, you could choose yes, and they will actually tell you, give you the options here to bill, certain times, maybe do a trial, all that kind of stuff, and it will actually continue on. So it could be an ongoing membership, it could be a short-term solution, whatever the options are there. So for reoccurring, for now we'll just keep that at no, but just know that option is there. This part is also very important. You want to just put in your product categories here. So for this example, in most cases, when it comes to digital information, especially internet marketing advice, or if it was health advice, you'd put it there. You would just want to put business and solutions. Typically, internet services, advice and instruction. That's probably best for the business category. And they do have a different kind of affiliate program. You can just keep that blank. Pending URL and approved URL, you can actually make these the same. You want these to be actually end up being the link for your thank you page. So it's going to be the page where they can register for your product again or get access to it. So it's going to be yourdomain.com/ty123 or underscore 123.html, and then you can just copy and paste this exact same one over. So this is going to be the link they're sent to as soon as their payment goes through, as soon as they make a payment. And I recommend you put it into both fields just because it's going to eliminate your customer support hassles. There's very rare a chance where for some reason it doesn't end up getting approved, the payment. So the best thing you can do is just send them straight through, because customers, after they buy, they expect to get what they paid for. So I just make pending URL and approved URL the exact same. When you're done with that, go ahead and select Save Changes, and this will be just a moment. So now that you've done that, you just go ahead and choose Save Changes, and we're going to go back over here to where it says up here at the top. You can just browse through, make sure the changes look good. But we're going to go ahead and choose products and view. So products and view, and this is how we go ahead and get our link. So we're going to come in here. There is our product right here, and you're going to click on this middle black option that says HTML snippet. And what this is going to do here with 2Checkout, this is actually going to give you a link that you can actually just copy and paste this and put it into your source code, or you could actually go right on over here and pull in this information here. So you could just grab this link right here. Remember, your links go href as we discussed, and inside the parenthesis, or excuse me, the quotations, you're just going to grab the URL, the direct URL, and you can actually make that be your payment button. And as usual, you just want to copy and paste that into your browser first to make sure it's working. This is what it will look like when 2checkout.com is functioning correctly. And what you're going to do here also that's very important is with 2Checkout, they require that below your buy now button or somewhere on your sales page, that it basically tells people that you're an authorized retailer for goods and service provided by your company, because that's how you set up your account. So when you're using 2Checkout, that's the options you're going to go with. Now obviously you don't have to worry about putting this unless you're using 2Checkout.com. So that's how you get your product button. They'll give you a buy buy now button options. They give you several different options that you can actually choose from. In most cases, yours is just going to be the buy from 2Checkout link. So again, you just go to products and choose view, and then you're going to click on the HTML snippet to grab the code. Once you have that link, you know exactly what to do with it. You're just going to go right on over to your composer and just copy and paste this information right on in there.